How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok, WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add WhatsApp link in TikTok or TikTok WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add WhatsApp link in TikTok, first of all, open up WhatsApp and go to the group of which you want to copy the link. So once you open that group, just make sure to tap on invite via link. Make sure to copy the link. Once you copy the link of a certain WhatsApp group here, just open up TikTok. So let me also go ahead and then open the TikTok application here. Then come to profile. Once you come to profile, tap on edit profile. Go to the bio section. Just paste the link and tap on save option. Now remember that if you paste the link in the bio section, that link is not going to get clickable. But if you have over 1000 followers, you'll find one more option called website. And if you paste the link inside the website section, then only that link is going to get clickable. Otherwise, you can still put the link, but the only problem is that it's not going to be clickable. This way you can add WhatsApp link in TikTok bio. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.